Hey dear friends on Facebook, today I'm going to do a little repair and maintenance project on our RV. We have our Thor Outlaw and two of our air fans have stopped working. The one in the main area and the one in the bathroom. And the one in the main area I bought a new fan from in this box here, and it's one of these here RV roof ventilation with remote control, so it has 6 levels on the fan. It detects rain and it has temperature settings and all that, so it's a very nice model. So I'm going to install this one, and then I hope to be able to take the motor from the one sitting in the main area and move out to the fan out in the bathroom. So I hope that all works, so let's try to get going. First we want to see what's in the box and see what we got here. Simply ordered this over Amazon, so I hope we got the right stuff and the right size. But here it is. So it comes like this, well packaged, and here we have the whole unit. So this is the remote control packed up here, so we can get that out. Tape on it. So a nice little model here that comes with a bracket for mounting it on the wall as well. So that's nice. There's a bunch of screws and an installation manual, and then we have here what needs to be mounted. I guess that would be up on the roof on top, and then this whole unit here goes down through the hole in the roof. It has the dark plastic cover on top here. I won't take that off. I can protect so we don't get it scratched. Has the wires here, and this here is the model that also has a rain sensor right here, so it will close in case of rain. So let's get on the roof and try to install it. Hey dear friends on YouTube, I'm Torkild Brunsnes and I run the channel 6 Wheels Down. My wife and I are full-time RVers, and we live in our Thor Outlaw. Our goal is to travel to every state in North America. We travel with our 4 dogs, 3 Dachshunds and an English Bulldog. We have our motorcycles with us and use them to drive out to interesting places in every state. When you live in a motorhome, sometimes things break, and we will make videos of some of it. I also make music, and most of the music is recorded in the garage of our RV. So we will start with simply taking this here plastic cover off here on the inside. guess we can pull this down. of easy. And then we have access to take it off. Or if there's anything else we need to loosen here. It doesn't seem like. Seems like the rest goes from the top. So we'll crawl up on the roof now and take that. Yeah, and here we are on the roof of the motorhome, and can't help just showing the project from last weekend. I installed these solar panels. It's incredible. It works so well. These 4 panels give 400 watt, and I have ever since for the last week here I've detached our converter, so we get now no power for the 12 volt system from the pedestal anymore. So it runs all our lighting, all our fans, all the fans in the heating system, and then all the 12 volt charging stations, the ones that are plugged into 110 volt, but they are run from our inverter that also pulls from the battery. All that it runs purely on these solar panels. So that's quite a success story, even though we are here in Portland and you know it's quite cloudy, as you can see. But these solar panels, they do miracles. They are super nice and it really works effectively. But here's the project for today. This is the one I want to change out. So the first challenge is to start digging into this die-core here and get all that off. I don't know how difficult it would be. I might have to get a heat gun out to heat it up, but we'll try. Just got a hold of my heat blower here, so I'll try to give it a little heat. That might actually help. It got heated up a bit. Oh yeah, makes it way softer. So with a blowtorch here, I would say the 3 other sides took less than the one side I did without the heat gun. So it's definitely worth using a heat gun to melt the die-core. Then it becomes soft and chewy. And now I simply started on the second one to do the same to this one. So we need to loosen that one up all the way. And by heating this here, well, I can kind of get this one all the way in. You see now it's kind of loosening up. So now I can get it all the way around like this, and we can get it up. Good enough now. Let's see if the new fan here will fit in. Oh yeah, looks like it fits perfect. This is great. So I did run into a little issue here because we have 3 wires here, a red and a black and a blue. And if I read here in the manual, okay, here, 0.7. It says using the electrical wiring provided, connect the fan's power wire to the RV's 12 volt power supply. The red wire must be connected to the vehicle's positive terminal, while the black wire is connected to the negative. The blue wire connects to the brake control system of the vehicle. And my problem is I only have 2 wires coming up, a positive and a negative. I don't have a brake wire connection, but I'm guessing that it's a feature here so that it closes the vent if the ignition comes on. So I'll just, if I don't use that functionality, I could just cut that wire and not use it, just have the red and the black connected, and then I just have to close the vents manual. Remember that, but that's how it already is, so that's what I'll do. And before installing anything here and connecting anything, I'll just check these two wires here, the brown and the white, which one is positive and which one is negative. Now I put the black one on the white and the red on the brown, and I get 12.56 volt. So the brown one is the positive. Brown is positive. And I have a box here with these different connectors here, so I'll put some red ones on the positive wire and also some blue ones on the negatives. And let's get that done. That one is on. Now with the connectors ready, it's time to get some die-core all the way around here. I had some leftover from when I did the mount of the solar panels. I'll use that up first. A good amount here all the way around. We call it good for now, then we seal the rest from the outside. By putting the connectors as I did here, I can just let it hang down and connect it from inside when I'm done, and then heat shrink it so it looks nice. So we are ready to put the whole unit on. With that in place here, I'll go downstairs and make sure, looking up, that it's even all the way around. And now looking up at it from down here, I can kind of align it perfect so it's even all the way around. I can go a little down this way. I want it to be nice and square. This stuff. So here we have the remote, so let's try to see if we can power it up and see if anything happens. It does. Something does happen, and it opens up. So with that all checked, I'll go upstairs again, up on the roof, and let's see if we can get it all sealed and put die-core on so it's all okay again. So now it's simply time to put all the screws back in. And here it is, the final installation. And we have the remote here that we can press, and that will turn the thing on. And it has rain sensor and everything, so Everything works as it's supposed to. That's nice. Thank you for watching another video here from 6 Wheels Down. I hope you really enjoyed it. And for me to be able to continue to create content here for YouTube, please click the like and the subscribe button. That's the way you can help me to grow this channel and to continue create new content. Thank you for watching.